Hi guys, and welcome back to JavaScript Playground. In the previous video, we explored arrays and performed sorting and concatenation. So if you haven't watched the video, check it out. I'll add the link in the description below. In today's video, we will talk about while loop in JavaScript. So a while loop iterates a block of code until a specified condition fails. So let's see what that means. So let's try the basic syntax for while loop first. So while you pass a condition here which decides whether the loop should iterate one more time or not. And then here you pass the block of code which needs to execute if the loop is iterating. Alright. So let's write a small code to increment a value until it reaches 50. So let's create a variable for my value. Let's call it 0, and my condition is I want to iterate till the time a value reaches 50 is less than equal to 50, and what I want to do is increment this value. So m value plus plus. Alright, and at the end let's print this value. So m, let's bring up the console. So as you can see, it's giving me 51. It's because I've also put an equal condition. So if I remove that, so it goes to 50. So it iterates 50 times. Alright, that's all for while loop today.